the lesson of going with the flow was like always reminding me, you know, throughout the trip, like I wasn't gonna come because it got canceled, and then I realized, like, you know what, we're actually meant to be here.
Amazing, man. I don't know what kind of special secret sauce that you put in here, but I hope you have more for this weekend.
That would be great, but if not, it's okay. So, what is that? Beans?
So there's
almonds.
cacao with the oatmeal and the little maca. Go ahead and get you started for the day.
What is this? That's so rad.
And then when I got here in this little valley, it all clicked, like, wow, it's beautiful when you just let go of needing to control everything, and you can just be accepting with the reality that happens, you know?
How did it feel when it was on the line?
Satisfying, because we literally drove 30 miles to go get a fishing license and then came all the way back, had no luck at this beach and persevered. Went to Sand Dollar Beach and came home with some dinner.
What we got, Ben?
Here we got a Wagyu tri-tip, which was grilled and then rested in lemon juice. Ginger scallion fried rice, basmati rice, with a fennel and kale salad that is marinated in lime, honey, garlic salt, and I think that's about it. We could do that too.
Unknown World Orchestra.
Okay. Good morning.
Hey, I woke up this morning smiling. I took an electrified shower underneath the waterfall this morning. Getting connected to land. Waking up with my people in my community. Feeling comfortable and free in my body. I get a little camera shot.
What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf. It's only water, it's only fire, it's only love. It's only slaughter, we're only liars, it's only blood. They're only thoughts I'm having, thoughts safe within my head.
Why I came? To connect with more like-minded people like myself, because recently I decided to take a different course in my life and stop my addictions to cannabis and nicotine. And in turn, I had to make a decision to let go of a lot of friends that were, you know, doing those things, and I didn't want to. So been a loner for a while, so I wanted to, which is a good thing, it's necessary in its time, but I wanted this trip to be a trip where I can meet other people like myself that think like-minded and really want to enjoy life without the extra drugs, just getting really high and coming down. I wanted to find people that, you know, could have that wholesome fun, that high just that keeps on going up, you know, and it's a beautiful thing because that's what happened.
It's only water, it's only fire, it's only love.
It's only love.